We found out about the Metier Law Firm as a referral from another law firm. Our case crossed into Wyoming, and the attorneys we had been working with didn't have jurisdiction in Wyoming, so they referred us to Metier Law Firm.
Luckily, they referred us to Metier. I'll say that, yeah. You could just tell that they genuinely cared, not just about you, not just about your case, but about everything that was going on in your life as well. And they were very, very sincere and very helpful with basically everything every approach they took, every aspect through the entire process I just felt like I had not just an attorney, but I had a friend. I had somebody that was there that was really wanting to help us. And it's a good feeling after having, prior to that, just feeling almost helpless, like overwhelmed and helpless.
They took a lot of time to educate us on the process.
Yep.
I felt like they didn't leave any stone unturned. I felt like they understood who we were. They took the time to understand who we were and how this accident had impacted our lives, how it had changed our lives.
And beyond just the physical
right.
stuff as well, too.
Just, emotional,
yeah.
Physical. And they really helped us realize the long-term impacts that this accident had on us, too, and prepared us for that. So I felt like they just were very good about educating us about the entire legal process. And they were so kind and so helpful and just made us feel like we could go through it. They let us cry. They let us be happy. They
vent,
let us
yell, swear. Because that happened.
Yeah, they let us go through all the emotions, and I never felt like they weren't going to support us. They were our biggest cheerleaders. The results did meet our expectations. I think we didn't know what to expect in the beginning because we had been so poorly directed that we didn't know what to expect. But when we went into the trial, watching Tom and Patrick do our case was absolutely amazing. And the results that we got were beyond what I would have expected, and that I feel,
especially going into it, as well too.
I feel as though that it provided us with an outcome that was fair, that has now allowed us to continue our lives on a path where we can receive the medical services that we need, that we have, we can get our needs met, and we won't be negatively impacted financially because of the hard work that they put into getting a positive end result to our case.
Absolutely.
Yes, without question. I think that they're an outstanding law firm. All their staff is amazing. Tom and Patrick, I cannot say enough good things about. I think that they're amazing, and we adore them, and we hold them in very high regard as attorneys in this community.
Not just attorneys as well too, but just like they're just good people. That's what I mean. For me, that's huge in itself. Like they're phenomenal attorneys, but there's
good people.
Good people.